Now I'm going to come over here to the opt-in form, and let me just go ahead and get rid of, well, actually we'll get rid of this guy right here. So I'm going to trash him, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my timer. This is how fast this happens, guys. And we'll go ahead and get rid of this guy right here. And now we have an opt-in form. This is very easy. I'm going to click this. We're going to come over here to our settings. And look here. We go and we put in our HTML code. We can come over here and we can specify our fields, our field background color, our field border color. Okay, so you have complete customization over your form options. We come over here, we can change the button type. Do we want a CSS button or do we want an image button? Yes, you can actually load your own images as well. You can put in a path, or you can upload the image, or you can use our pre-made buttons. All of these buttons are right here ready for you to drop in your page. It really doesn't get better than that. And then you guys are going to love this. With one click, not only can we put them into our autoresponder, but we can also put them into our GoToWebinar account. So we can get these leads onto a webinar and we can make even more money. And we know how hot Facebook is today. So we can come over here, we can click this, and we can enable the Facebook option. Guys, there is so many features with Instabuilder 2.0. So let's go ahead and delete this element real quick. And now we see that that is gone. Now I've got a couple more things to show you. Remember, I also said that there is a 3-step opt-in. So if we bring this in, now this is really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And I'm going to delete my title, just so you get the idea of how this works. And now let's go ahead and make this white. Now you can clearly see it. Now, here is our headline. We have a button that says click here to find out. See this little arrow over here? I'm going to click this, and as soon as I do, now we have a video element. So the video shows up after they click the button. But watch this. I come over here, I can now come over to my arrow again, and here is the actual opt-in form itself. And look how fast we can make changes. This here is the 3-step opt-in. 1-click integration, and you have 3 steps. And these are converting like crazy. Now, I'm going to show you a couple more things and then I'm going to wrap up this video, because guys, there is no possible way I could show you all the features with Instabuilder 2.0. But the main thing is I want to emphasize how easy and how fast you can create pages with Instabuilder 2.0.